designs on for you when you choose which ones you want. Right now they're all blank. And you're just painting it in with either acrylic markers, which have a marker with a pink brush tip on it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So easy. Yeah. Can we put any letter we need?
I have every letter of the alphabet here. I just put the A because that's my last name.
I definitely want one of the ones with the letters.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that can go on the round or the square. That doesn't have to go on the square, it can go on the round. And basically, you tell me which designs you want and which posters you want, and then I will press it onto them for you. So you're basically just coloring. Yeah,
I love coloring. So you just line up over there and just tell you what you want?
pretty much.
Yes.
And then while I'm pressing your coasters, you'll pick out your paints and your different stuff to go with.
I hope you guys.
Maggie will help you with that.
I want to see how you press
And
that. You have the pushing right
I do
there.
right there.
Awesome. I'm going to be.
You go right ahead. And listen, I have a store in Pagoda.
Yeah.
Come on down and see how I do anything else you want to do.
What kind of things you do?
We do rub tufting, we do, I do a lot of laser cutting, and then we put like door hangers, and that's how I met Nikki.
Sewing class.
I do sewing classes, basic beginner sewing
Any
classes.
type of arts and crafts, paint by number, making your own patches,
And it's
your own
for people to go there and
Yes.
do that?
It's like a whole
I've
arts and
been
crafts
to,
store.
That might be our
I'm
next
not a
ladies'
traditional
night out.
Absolutely. It's fully set up.
I go
and
to
equipped for
traditional
that.
paint six and then I hide it under the bed, because I will tell you flat out, I am not artistic, I'm French.
Okay. Yeah.
I can't draw a straight line. But I can cut
It's
straight
not
lines.
artistic to draw a straight line.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. But I'm not good. So I said, to my husband, I said, I want to do something different. He's like, what? I'm thinking this, I'm thinking that. I said, well, you do all that stuff in the, because I have a barn in my backyard called I call it the Beetch Barn. But since nobody's going to take their kids to the Beetch Barn, I had to name my company the Beetch Barn. So it's, and I go back there and I do embroidery. I can print out cross stitch. So the kids came in over the summer. I printed out cross stitch on the plastic, and they used the yarn, and they made a lot of
I love it. I used to do that as a kid.
She can do everything, even customize pencils, like engrave them for the teachers, which is like, yeah, it's actually really nice for like gift giving. Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
cards over there. I have a birthday party on Sunday for tie-dye. It's just a little bit of everything, because I can't. I love going out and hanging out with my friends, but you can't just go to a paint and sip every time. How many walls you got in your house?
Yeah.
And how many walls actually are worthy of something that you painted? You can choose what you want. Come on over.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I think it's I want to do one for me for my daughter. No, I want to convince them.
You can do 4 different editions. You can do whatever you want. You get 4 coasters. You can do whatever you want on those 4 coasters. And if you don't like any of these designs, I do have a few others in my box of tricks. Or you can do your own. If you want a freehand,
I can't do a straight line either.
then you don't have to.
Yes, exactly. I am not that creative.
Yeah, but you're more than welcome to come on over, and we'll set you up. No, we're good, thank you. What would you like?
Okay. Sweater weather?
That was a bachelor one.
Yeah.
Got my message about a beach sweater weather.
Sweater.
It's one of my favorites. I'm a summer girl, but
Me too. But I love fall. Me too. July 18th.
oh my God, July 15th. July 12th. I know we had
Wow.
We have great vibes in here.
An N for
nuts. I mean, Nikki.
That's good. Or naughty.
We're naughty.
Or nice.
Nice. Oh my goodness, stop. I'm already thinking about Christmas.
Yes. You could do that. I like that one though, like the exact
Because I don't have a good, like... That's the one thing in my head. I don't got. Pumpkin spice versus one more. You want to do 2 pumpkin spice?
Hocus Pocus. Oh wait, no. Yeah, pumpkin spice and Hocus Pocus.